Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to show you the tutorial on how to clean up the phone on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, so yeah, for those of you who don't know that cleaning your phone is aims to improve your device performance by removing unnecessary files, managing storage, and boosting battery life. And also, it can help to free up space and speed up the phone and potentially extend battery life by stopping battery draining processes. And how to do that is very easy, so yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first is now you can go to this security, and then after that now you can go to cleaner, and the cleaner will scanning the file and trash, and then now you can click clean up and wait until it's done. And then so yeah, it's done guys, and your cell phone is already clean. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and then thank you so much for watching guys. Bye bye.